Hey guys, welcome back to Factory Fiction, episode 3 of What's in the Box. Stick around if you want to see what's in this box. Welcome back. As you can see, we got another unboxing video for our new series, What's in the Box. Here it is. It's lightweight, it's small. Guess what? I bet you can tell where it was from. This is package number 3 from my 11/11 AliExpress sale that I made purchases at. So let's go ahead and see what's in the box. Got some bubble wrap. Oh, here we go. All right. Bam. All right, you guys can basically see what these are. These are obviously mini wings. But what these are ABS plastic covers for the chrome mini wings on. This is for the front hood emblem on the Mini Countryman R60, and this is the big giant one for the hatch. So if you guys don't own an R60, the hatch handle that actually opens the hatch actually is the Mini logo that goes in here. Now, if you guys have paid attention to the more recent update videos, I gave you guys a sneak peek at the Mini render, and this is a portion that I think I've whittled down to what I'm gonna do. So I basically ordered these. They're gonna black out the chrome, and then in the springtime here when we're starting to get into more install videos with the Mini, we're gonna save these till then, because I'm gonna go ahead and replace the Mini logo with BMW badges, which I'm just gonna have my buddy print them in vinyl. We're gonna lay them on, but I want to put those on the car first and then put these over so that I can make sure that my vinyl edge is not exposed on here, so it doesn't have any weather strip to kind of get down in the crack there and start peeling up. So I want to make sure the BMW badges actually get laid really well over the Minis, and then these are gonna just go right over. But man, there's no pitting in any of these. Super good quality finish, and just so you guys know, pretty much anywhere you buy these from, they are 3M double-sided sticky taped on. Like, there's no, at least that I have found, there's no direct replacement for these. But yeah, I'm super stoked. Again, I will go ahead and post pictures from the seller. I will put the link in the description of where you can buy these. This was definitely a mandatory look for me, and then I will go ahead and let you know. So, yep, ABS plastic. There is shipping on these, which it wasn't too bad, and honestly, I don't even think I got these on sale. So they have gloss black, matte black, and diamond black, which I'm not sure what they're calling diamond black. Maybe it's more of a satin. But lots of the blackout on the chrome we already done is gloss black, so that's why I just went straight up gloss black. We wanted to have kind of an OEM feel, and apparently they make these for all the different Mini models. So any ones you're looking for, any Mini Cooper S that you own, you can get these for if you follow the link. So these cost me $30 together, shipped out the door. 30 bucks for both of these, which, like I said, as I looked around for these, it was actually a really good deal. So ended up pulling the trigger. Like I said, I will post pictures in a description, but as you guys can see, that's what we have here on today on What's in the Box. We'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, so you just saw the new ABS Mini logos that we got, and as always, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, share with your people, grow love in the car community. We'll see you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Peace.